I'm here to talk a little bit about summertime. We are almost in summer, so I thought I would read the book Biscuit's First Beach Day. It's all about how Biscuit goes to the beach. When do we go to the beach? Do we go in the wintertime? No, we go in the summer when it's nice and hot. Let's see what happens. It says, "Here we are, Biscuit. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a perfect day to spend at the beach. Woof, woof. Look at that. See all the sand. Look at the water. Those are big waves. And there's a little crab. We've got all of our stuff for the beach. We have a beach blanket and towels. Woof, woof, says Biscuit. And we have a big umbrella, too. Woof, that's the way to help Biscuit. Look at that. They're putting down the umbrella. It's got stars. She's got her hat and her sunglasses. It's so bright and sunny out. We can build a big sandcastle at the beach. I have my pail and my shovel. Woof, woof. Biscuit's helping too. Funny puppy, you know just how to dig. Look at those seashells. Those are big. The beach is filled with seashells. Let's see how many we can find. We help find some with them. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Biscuit, you found a starfish. Woof, woof. Look, Biscuit, your friend Puddles is here. Woof, woof. Wow, wow. This way, everybody. We can all go for a dip in the water. They're gonna go in the ocean. Ooh, that feels nice on a hot day. She's wearing her swimsuit. They're ready to go. Are you ready, Biscuit? Let's jump over the ocean waves together. Jump, jump. Here comes a wave. Splash. Woof, woof. Oh no, Biscuit, not a big shake. He's getting her all wet. Oh no. It's time to dry off. It's lunchtime. Ooh, they're hungry. Silly puppies, no tugging on the towel. There's their sandcastle. It's fun to have a picnic at the beach. We got sandwiches, fruit, and juice. And the doggies have some bones. Yum! Everybody's going to eat. Oh no! There goes our beach ball. Uh-oh. What a good puppy. Biscuit found the beach ball, and he found a bird too. He says, "Hi, bird." The sky is bright and clear. A warm breeze is blowing. The beach is a great place to fly the kite. Look at that big kite. Biscuit, Puddles, where are you going? Look, they're running, running, running. Uh-oh. What sweet puppies. The beach is a perfect place for lots of sun and fun and a little nap too. They're sleeping. Good night. The end. I hope you liked our book about the beach. Oh, I hope we can all go to the beach very soon. Okay, bye friends.